Everybody, Toby here again. 216 Auto Restoration and the 1976 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And what I want to talk about today is windows, the door windows, side windows. Like I said, putting new windows in this Trans Am. I just unpackaged the new window right here. And of course, you know, they don't come with any rollers, any hardware, nothing. So you basically have to take all the hardware off of the old window and transfer it over to the new window. So basically these two right here, this one and this one right here, these two nuts that are on here basically hold the window to the track that's inside the door. So I'm gonna start with those two first. I'm gonna take those two off. And if you look at these holders right here, these holders that go through the window, they are a different animal. So you have to buy a special tool to get those off or make your own. Or if you're lucky like I am, I have a friend of mine that's a machinist. And he made this tool for me right here. 3/8 drive on it. But anyways, these two, I want to call them teeth that stick up there. They just sit right inside of there. And sometimes these are just unbelievably tight, almost scary tight to get these things off. Oh. And that one came right loose. Thank gosh for me. But then it just spins right off here like that. You do have a rubber gasket. They're like that. So you have this rubber gasket, and you see it's basically a plastic gasket, but this piece goes into the hole right there, like that. So we'll do the same thing here. Right here. Spin that off and make sure that it goes right down in that hole. You don't tweak anything. Good on that one. Same here on this other piece here. Same exact thing. Same thing here. Transfer this over real quick. Just like that. So there's no scratchy dust under there. right, good enough. Looks like this window has an extra hole. Maybe this is made for a couple of different vehicles. Camaros, Firebirds. They're all about the same for years and years. Put these two nuts back on there so I won't lose those. Or put this window back in the vehicle. So these are exactly the same thing, just going from a different angle, but they are the same. So this is the front of the window over here. They do have the same exact basically, I don't know what you want to call that, a nut or whatever it is. Fastener, same type of fastener. Flip this window around so it's exactly the same as the other one. And this window here shows two holes. This one here and the one right above it to keep it from moving back and forth. Make sure that that is down in the hole. Down in the hole, like Allison chains. And it looks like it's feeling so small. There's that one, another extra hole, like I said, that window. So there's 3 of the 4, one more left over here. This is really scary if you have to do this with the windows that you have to put back in. Probably guessing that these windows probably have never been out of this vehicle. Sure looks like it when I was painting and took them out, because there's still paint from the last paint job this vehicle had. I think they do sell this tool like on Epler's or Classic Industries. Quite a few people maybe carry that tool. If you happen to be out in Massachusetts, you might be able to go talk to Ray Shalene. Family member, has a machine shop. This guy is super talented. If you want to watch some killer videos about how to build anything, a machine, anything, English wheel, any of that stuff. Ray Schlene, look him up, W-R-A-Y Schlene. He's the pro shaper guy. He does classes on shaping metals and welding and just everything. The guy is just absolutely incredibly talented. Yeah, way more talent than I've ever thought of even having. But anyway, there you go. I got those all transferred over to the other window, so that's how you do it. You can get yourself one of these tools. I would rather have somebody make one if you could, rather than buying one. I just, some of the ones that they make might not hold up because you could tell that they were super tight, very tight. I was afraid I was gonna break the window, but thank gosh I didn't. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this window ready to install. Maybe I'll have you follow along with me on that. So everybody, thank you very much. And if you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe or something. And take care.